Hello everyone, and in this video, I'm going to unbox this 1:18 scale Mercedes-Benz 190E 2.5-16 Evolution 2 from Solido. Let's take the car out of the box now. So this is the car out of the box, and there are 4 screws holding it in place. They have also included the door opener tool along with the car, and now let's unscrew it. So this is the car, and they have also included the antenna in the small plastic packet here so that it does not get damaged during transit. There is also the name of the car printed on the base. So let's take a look at the car now. The headlights look really nice and there is enough detailing on it. The hood ornament and the Mercedes logo on the grille also look really nice. The lower grille also looks really good. You can see the brake disc and caliper from here. The wheels can roll freely. There's also the Evolution badge on the front fender. The rear wheel also rolls freely. Moving on to the back, the tail lamp does not have enough detailing but still looks good. All the logos here are decals. You can also see the iconic rear wing of the EO2. And this is the right side of the car. The wiper also looks really nice. You can also see the shade band on top of the front windscreen. Here's the antenna that I fixed earlier, and that's the roof spoiler. Now moving on to the interior, the dashboard is really well detailed and you can see all the gauges on the instrument cluster. The logo on the steering wheel also looks really nice. Here's the door card, and you can see the shift pattern on the gear lever and the hazard light button next to it. Here are the seats and they look really nice. This is how the rear seats look like, and they are similar to the front ones. And this is the view from the back. The rear view mirrors have chrome inserts in them and they reflect really well. And it's the same with the IRVM as well. You can also see the sun visor on the roof as well. This is how the passenger side looks like. You can see the vents and buttons on the dash more clearly from here. The seat is the same as on the driver's side. Solido has also made the left and right rear view mirrors of different sizes as seen on the real car. So this is the underside of the car, and the gearbox and the exhaust system has been painted in silver, and that is the exhaust tip which looks really nice. And you can also see the steerable front wheels from here. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you later.